Okay, so this is Cunha Street in Macau. So I'm going to highlight a little bit of Taipa area, and we're going to kind of show you what it looks like in 2023. Give you a little context before we go. We are kind of in this Taipa area where there's all the kind of tall residential buildings are all in the background over here behind us, and we're going into Taipa village, so you can see all the tall buildings behind the trees. And so we are going to go into this one. Stay tuned. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so before we even go in, there actually are all these little alleys in the back here too. But we're going to be going down this main street. It's kind of a short street, so we'll take in some of what we can before we actually go in. The lights are just coming on as well, so we're getting some lighting as well. The lighting is all kind of in there, so I guess we'll have to head on in. The street's kind of short, so that's why I'm a little bit, I want to take it all in a little bit before we go in, because you can see Venetian Casino on the way in the background. They sell this kind of throughout. Yeah, this street's called Cunha Street, and it's Rua de Cunha in Portuguese. And basically it's, they call it, kind of name it like food street in Chinese. You see Old Cherikov Macau. We got some alleys. More alleys on that way. Okay. Putting up some samples. Okay. Some little alley stuff down that way. Alley stuff down that way. Street there with the sun, or that we are on. We continue to go on. The corners are actually kind of cool, so that's why I'm trying to capture those a little bit. Pastel area. Smells good. Actually, this is Macau 1928 up at the top. But here's a Portuguese restaurant called Os Santos. You can see some photos of the Rolling Stones in there. Oh, there's Mick Jagger right there. Okay. Some long lines in here. Third Stoves is a very popular bakery, so there's always lines for that. Getting the egg tarts. That's one of the things they're supposed to do when they come to Macau, is get egg tarts. Another long line getting the beef opal. So we come on up here. And you can see these long lines all the way down there. So that's all the beef opal line. Cunha guy. Then we'll come out and we kind of have a bunch of people. I think they'll eat over here because I think a lot of those are like kind of takeout. Sometimes they'll have events here, but this right here is the giant dragon. So you can see the dragon's head right there, right? And all the way down, you just kind of have the whole tail. We're gonna walk all the way up there in a second. Tiger sugar. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna head up further. Gonna go up to the top. And at the top, some rooftops up there. And that was actually Cunha guy. They got some other stuff up here too, including this street and this street as well. So I think what I'll do is I'll just kind of highlight a little bit of it. Coffee shop right there. Pretty cool little space. Let's go down. So pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna head back down towards Cunha guy. So another little slice of Macau for people who haven't seen the street in a little while. Very popular, as you can see. There we go. Okay. So that's Cunha guy Street. So I think we're actually going to walk down the stairs to go back. Yeah, look at all these people. So all these people are lined up to take the cable cars. I think those are called cable cars. Skycab is what they call it. Become a Win Insider member for a free Skycab ride. So okay, so you have to become a member, and if you're not a member, I think they'll charge you a certain amount. And so basically all these people are lined up, and then they'll just take those all the way up. So that, I've never seen the line that long before. I do have some other videos where I have walked inside and where I've been outside, and I never saw so many people before. I think I even have some where I'm in one of those Skycabs as well. So I'll link those down below, like at the end of the video. I usually have a couple of thumbnails at the end, so you can click on that and you can just keep watching some of those if you want to see other Wind Palace videos. Yeah, the music is so much lower today. It's really interesting. Usually it's so loud. Yeah, that goes down nice and low. So that now that's starting to get some copyright issues. So if I speak a little bit over it, I won't have as many copyright issues. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to end it before I have my copyright issues. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.